Hello, my people. How na day? Also na day fine. My people, now see this lady where be say a day yes so. Now she do that video where I do, where I bring come where be say he come the house papa about the Okuku, what they go on, whether they not get their, all those things. Where papa come they say what he not supposed to talk. Instead of what the tell the pikin say, don't put your mouth for that kind of thing. All those things. When I see the video. She don't come out, come apologize to the palace. For waiting be say if papa talk. Waiting be say she also talk to call the papa. They ask her all those questions. Me, I play this a video for now. Me will listen to the apology where be say she do. Okay? Me will listen to.
Oba, okay. He said, good morning to all the Edolites. Good morning to each and every one of us. Good morning to all Nigerians. So guys, I on my platform 2-3 days ago and we were discussing on something different. But this particular one where they trend, not top up. We say everybody call it top for my platform. I'm not here to analyze whatever that is going on. You people criticizing me makes me more popular. Yesterday, today, I don't get 1,000 followers. And I believe you know they can follow who you don't like. And once again, I've already made an apology video yesterday. I know it don't go viral. But this one, I am saying sorry to my father, your father, our father, our king. I know that they talk about me, I'm not Benin. By marriage, I'm a Benin. But I'm not too good like that. If not, I forgot they talk those things so they talk. If you beg go back, not a bit talk. My king, I am sorry. Long may you live. God will keep you, God will bless you, and every man and woman will honor you. I am so sorry if me calling my father was an error. I am apologizing on my father's behalf, on my behalf, on anyone that was on my platform that day's behalf. I am sorry. It has gone. It will never repeat itself again. I don't know tradition. I have never interfered in anything that has to do with tradition. It's one thing I don't like. Because I know they like talk with and I don't know. So heaven knows what happened that day. And I regret it. And I am saying sorry, deeply sorry for that. So I know some people don't find the way they want to attack this one opportunity for now. No, for sure. So my king, I am so sorry. I am sorry. Some people say, if I had the opportunity to kneel down before my king, he will not crucify me because I am his own. He no go kill me. No. He will only correct me and say, my child, this is how you should say it, or this is what you should do next time. That is him being my father. You're because you are from Benin. I am an Edo woman. So now my king be the way they be your king. So it be my king. So it be my Oba. So this is me. So if you think this particular way I talk now, you don't like, I want your life. Do your video and say whatever you want to say. Please, I am sorry because this is my king and I am married to his son. Why I am daughter. So I am sorry.
My people, I'll play and finish. So most people for this for this life, if they want to do apology, they don't go straight direct. They will go do and zigzag. So that if maybe other people can see the video, they can say which kind of apology be this one. You made mistake for that. I understand. Say you talk say you don't know how to do all those things. If you want to do apology direct, don't miss out with even though so now like wanna go and transformer. Now no, I don't do one. This one, that one. No, you go direct to what you they talk. Leave what people want talk. Not me say this video it will go palace. No, because we the Benin the use and make parable say Oba meti ebo enika ogwina ogieneri oja iye do awaena. You understand? So we the Benin, if somebody they drive rough with a mat, they go palace. Now we na dey, you understand? I'm a bejo, you understand? So na make am with the Benin, we not agree. You understand? We not agree for anybody. When it comes to that palace, we not agree. So if you want to apology next time, even though say you want even do it to friend where you with and the quarrel, go straight. Leave waiting the all those one where you be say you can't they put for inside. It don't make sense. Okay? It don't make sense. It's still good now. Say say you F and you come out, you say you want to do apology. Next time if you want to do apology like this. Bini people why ya fe ken wa second wa ran me. We are na rich. We are na for start. Ware gui wa ya bon me. That's what I tell the do. Okay? Wa ya bon me ama say or worry me. I don't know rich na ikosan. Now Bini people na they apologize. After way Bini people una beg wa gui wa miene wo bo. You understand? So here they go rest. Because if you I don't know anyway. I not go say, say, I want bonagbo wo come ya see a kegbe. As far as say say you made mistake, you come and come apologize. Maybe next time you will know the way where you wanted to do apology. Okay? You will know the way where you wanted to do apology. Not put another person. Then they will know, say, really, this apology, it come from your mind. You understand? Now echo woke latia. No be why are you yourself? Me, I just give them, make them know. We they know if you they do that one. If that apology na real, they still they know. If na poko paka, they still they know. Alright? So I just see this your video. I need to bring down comments just to tell you next time, don't try it. Okay? Especially when it comes to palace. As you talk on for this your video, say anything will be tradition, they even they near maybe like that too, because say sometimes the thing say they do what you want talk it right. As far as when it comes to tradition, if you not just know, not just talk put, not just like on the one way you can't provoke many people for inside. Now where you can't they call your father and your father can't they see they talk about that bidi. You understand? Can't they talk waiting not clear? Because now your papa supposed to tell you say, my pikin, me way born you. Me they fear to even talk less of you. Oh yeah, go back. So the way where your papa constantly they tell you is like go ahead. Nothing there. Waiting, this one. Now that one, I not clear for his side. Okay? So my people may will listen to our video finish.
I know they beg when I never wash my toe. I am begging to the Royal Highness. I am begging you to forgive me for that act. And forgive my uncle for that act. If it's not okay, of which I know now that is not okay. I am sorry. Allow, make you go. I know the same one I talk to my king. God bless you and long may you live, my king. Thank you very much, sir.
He said, I talk to my king. Anyway, we'll just finish that.
If I don't know, but thank you. I don't know if you come across this video, who be me. But thank you, sir. For the indigenous, we say they get sense. Where I talk to, we understand. God will bless you and keep you. The ones where they find the one where they say Sagamsis are bare, who not chop food, no opportunity be this. So, Baba, thank you.
So now that one, my people, as I see this video, I need to bring on because I felt carry the other one come. So next time, if you they do apology, go straight to that apology where you want to. They do and go give our king. Because never, we'll see your video. Now the Benin's, okay? I when I done I won't bomb away. You understand? If you do ya fe ken wa second wa rame wa regui wa ya bome wala go. You understand? You understand? So that one when you come the talk put for inside, am I say next they worry you? You understand? When you say am I say ask your husband a Benin person. Your husband supposed to put you right say wahawa apology. See the way you want to direct her. Anyway, am I say anything? So next time, no go wait till they not call you put. And still tell your father say may not dey like, you know, wetin he talk, no good. Because your own me are not too much can't and put. Now that your father own night make me say, wetin be this kind thing? A father way be say, no fit tell pikin, say, no go there, huh? Not try yourself. Me way born you, and no go try now. Talk less or say you were now when you were then born yesterday. You understand? So that is that, my people. As I see this video, I need to bring her come. She do apology where we go still like let go, because you know, or your hand na small pikin wey be say you don't know wetin they do. But next time, my sister, if you dey do apology to anybody where you want to do apology, go direct. If you want go, they put another, like, you understand, that one dey different for another video. But let your apology video straight and direct. Make people for know say yes, it come from your mind. Then we'll see and say, okay, your mama. All right, my people, thank you for being here. Let me to love and like and share this video. May we forgive her. Next time she not try her, okay? Because she know say this kind of thing not good. You know, say some people they'll do something and they know say that thing not good though. They no agree come out. They'll still they do odunga. Say nothing they happen. All right, bye bye for now.